Maestro, take it away, please.
All right, here we go. Welcome back to another day of recording another video on this drag build. Today, I guess we're gonna just go ahead and we're gonna fit the motor in, the ESC, get that all situated, move the battery up to get real space here. Not really sure yet, might make some supports. There you go. Just to hold here. Excuse me. Could use gonna make some struts to give us some support up in here. So like this. Get that all worked out. Drill, screw that in. Make sure that's secure. Get something like that in there. Secure that in there. First thing I want to do is get this over with, because this is, I need to get it in. Find out my spacing with everything. So my slide goes in to there. And this some tape. Adjust our joints down so you can see exactly where we want them. It looks pretty good. Let's see if I can get it on the camera without it sliding. So it's flat here with the ball joint. I'm gonna take again. Marking that ball joint as best as I can. Whatever, just to give it more of a flat, and just screw that on there. And now it's locked in place. Where I made it way more easy. And I'm pretty sure that's not going to. Same action for the other side. Inwards, downwards. And this still gives us enough space. It's about maybe a quarter of an inch of space from the gear And with it being locked into place, it should never cause an issue. If those two smacked and something went horribly wrong, something, and it wasn't supposed to be in there. So, boom. And you know, there's either I'll find a washer or and a nut to hold that better to lock that in place to make that smaller so this profile won't stay out as much. Maybe you can turn it back because it's not too high. Actually, okay. Maybe I will keep it like that, flat. Boom. Like that. So that's how those go. So that's a good way to support it, I guess. And the way I find, but I'm going to support it. So for now we can take those out. Screens, because that's a success. And we can set this little modification that you would call to the side and get that ready for when it's time to put it all together. Those are ready to go. So boom, that's in there. That's secure. That's secure. The front end is now. Okay, done it. Next thing we gotta do, move this battery tray up. And there's that decision that we have to make. We want this more towards the rear. I think we want it more towards the front. Seems like the light, it's kind of light. We're going to slide it. It'll be easier to slide it back. But let's slide it down. And we're going to slide this down. Flip it around. Give it that space for the ESC. So, let's go ahead. And what I'm seeing is those other two holes fall off because underneath it is raised. So the option I have is either shave that off to make it flat, or move it up to there. And that's basically where it was because it couldn't. So let's see. So if we have our disconnect this for now, because this is going to sit here. Gyro is going to sit there. Receiver is going to sit there. And let's see, now here's the moment. ESC. Let's sit there. So, and this is a mock-up ESC I made up because I haven't purchased one yet. So this will do for the meantime. Boom, boom. Those three like that, like so. Should work. Problem is, down the line, what I'm seeing there might be a problem down the line, is if this setup is like this. The ESC would be fine, I think. It's just how big of ESC are we going to try to fit in there down the line? Will that be a problem? So then this should be fine. But then I'm gonna take these. I think I like that there. Boom. Got that in there now. So now that we got that in there, you can see we still got a little wiggle to it. So that's cool. Gotta make sure our clearance is good still. There you go. That shouldn't go anywhere. May look crazy now, but that shit is sturdy. That wiggle's gone. That wobble's gone. I'm happy with it. So that's going to be the end of this video. Until the next video.